In this video, we are going to sew the base of the bear's ears. So we want to take our needle and we want to make a running stitch just above that stitch guideline at the base of the bear's ears. I'm going to take my needle and I'm actually going to put it between the two layers. I'm not picking up the fabric at all. I'm trying to push my needle between the two layers without catching the fabric, just pushing it right between the two. And I'm doing that so that when I pull it through, my knot will just pull right through those two layers and be hidden in the inside between the two layers. Now I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to make a running stitch. I'm probably only going to have space for maybe 3 or 4 stitches, and I'm going to place them just above where that stitch guideline is, right at the base of the bear's ear. I will put my stitches just above that. And really those stitches are there to keep the fabric or the stuffing from shifting up into the bear's ears when you stuff him, so that his ears will stay fluffy and not stuffed. So just putting a few stitches right on top of that guideline. Now I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to pick up just a little bit of the back side of the back fabric. Doesn't even go all the way through the back fabric. And I'm going to pull until I create a loop. And then I'm going to push my needle through once and a second time, twice. And I'm going to pull it tight to create a knot. And then I'm going to stick my needle back almost in the same place where the knot is, back in through, in between the two pieces of fabric. I don't actually want to catch the pieces of fabric. I just want that thread to be right in between the two pieces of fabric. I'm going to go ahead and clip off my tail. And that's that ear finished. I just wanted to put a few little stitches up there to keep the stuffing from going up into the top part of the ear whenever I stuff the bear. So I'm going to do the very same thing on the other side, just putting a few stitches above that seam, that guideline. So I'm going to rethread my needle and I'm going to tie a knot. Go ahead and pull that tight and clip off the end. Continuing to use the brown thread for the bear's body. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing where I push the needle between those two layers of fabric. So you can find a spot between two of the stitches and try to just gently push the needle between the two layers without actually pushing it into the fabric. And I'm going to just keep pulling so that my knot comes through between the two pieces of fabric. And I'll make a few running stitches across that line of that guideline at the base of the ear. Shouldn't take more than 3 or 4 stitches just to close up that space enough to keep the stuffing from shifting up into the ears. After I finish that stitch, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to make an ending knot again so that my stitches can't come undone. Pick up just a tiny little piece of fabric, not even all the way through that back piece of fabric, just the tiny top layer. Make a loop and let it stay there. And push my needle through once, twice, pull it tight to make a little knot. And I'm going to take my needle and push it back in through between the two pieces of fabric so that the tail will be hidden between the two pieces. And then clip it off. When I stuff it, it'll get pulled between those two layers of fabric and you won't ever see it. And that's it. That's that step completed. Your bear is now ready to stuff.